customers. This is products from Olmish Asia Foods. This is our store for dried banana. It's purely fresh and no added sugar or any additives. So it is in the processing of drying. And if you want whichever quantity you order, you are sure of the best quality from Olmish Asia Foods. And packaging, you can be sure our packaging is the best and also right on time. A maximum of within 10 days, everything is packed and your shipping is also due. So get market with Olmish company and you show off whatever you have. So take a closer look at our dried bananas. That's what we have. It's purely natural, no additives, no sugar. It's just pure and natural. So you can be sure of our quantity and quality. That's it. Olmish Asia Foods. This is it.
On the